Good day, everyone. Today I will be reporting on the trend called cashless microeconomics. Let's talk about cashless microeconomics. It refers to small communities or groups that operate without physical money. Instead of using cash, people use digital payment methods such as e-wallets, QR codes, GCash, or for example, For example, economies include schools, barangay, campuses, public transport systems, small local markets. This trend is starting to appear today but is not yet fully popular. However, in the next 10 years, cashless microeconomies are expected to grow because people are becoming more independent on smartphones and digital technology. Digital payments are faster, safer, and more convenient compared to carrying cash. One major advantage of cashless microeconomies is convenience. Transactions become quicker, easier, and another benefit is security since digital payments reduce the risk of theft and loss of money. It also helps in tracking expenses, which promotes better financial management for individuals and communities. However, this trend also has challenges. Not everyone has access to smartphone, stable internet, or digital literacy. This can create inequality, especially for low-income communities. There are also concerns about privacy and data security. In conclusion, cashless microeconomies have the potential to change how small communities handle money. If implemented responsibly and inclusively, this trend can improve efficiency, transparency, and economic participation in the future. Thank you, and that's all.